Alright, dull coat on this one side has been laid down. We're going to flip her around, of course, and get the other side. Hopefully get the bottom as well. And we will continue. Don't want to tip her. All right. Let that coat dry, and then we'll determine if we need to go ahead and put a second one. Alright, now that the sides of Airwolf have been done, it's a matter of finishing off the underneath, and then making sure that the windows have a transparent coating of future floor wax. So, and then she's finally done. Yay! All right. Now just time to go ahead and let Mother Nature take her course and let it dry. I can't believe she's finally done. Woo! Yay! Celebration tomorrow when we do the final beauty shots and show comparisons of starting, ending, and how she looked between the initial coat or paint and then after the dull coat was placed on top. Thanks for following along. Happy modeling, everyone. Well, welcome to the completion of Airwolf. I am finally glad to say that this model, I am finished with it. Part of me wants to go ahead and take it and destroy it because of how long I've been working on it. The other part of me wants to go ahead and put it in a box and lock it away, if you know what I mean. So, that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at her. So, right now, let's go ahead and zoom in on her. There she is. All right. Here she is. She is completed. In some other photographs that you will see, you'll see that she was initially kind of glossy with their paint job, but I did put on a dull coat. You can see the camera windows there show up very different in their darkness. Nice striping. The main rotor, I went ahead and did it a little bit differently, so it is not attached actually. It just kind of fills in to the hole right there. As you can see, she's got the stripes on the rear tail rotor. The interior of the exhaust is done in a, actually it's done gunmetal. I wanted to go ahead and do a particular technique. Couldn't do it because of how small the area was. Again, you can see the front. You can go ahead and see the blue a little bit right there. Interior done. And on the front here. So she looks pretty good. Now, compared to the model I did back in the 90s, or back in the 80s. And I'm going to go ahead and pull the camera off and take it close. Alright. There we go. Okay, you can see all the seams, the gapping there that existed on the original. And she's very dusty. The striping on her was done actually by hand. So considering it was all done by hand, I think I did a pretty good job. You can make out the controls inside pretty well. Anyways, so taking a closer look here at the latest version, and that's actually the Wi-Fi dongle there. You can see the seams are pretty nicely taken care of. You can see inside pretty nicely. And the control surfaces, tongue-tied. Seat details. So I think she turned out pretty well. Now right now I've got an overhead ceiling light, or fan light going, so that's giving her a little bit of illumination. Here she looks like in shaded light. Let me go ahead and zoom out. Oops. And I think she looks pretty damn good. Now people, let me know what you think. Shelton Harris, this is for you, my friend. Sorry you didn't live to the end. I'll be posting this up very shortly on my YouTube. Thank you everyone for coming. And have fun modeling. Take care. Bye for now.